Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A72S, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, you're going to hold your power button, and from there select power off. Now when the device turns off, all you need to do is hold the power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment of seeing the logo, you can let go of the power button, and this will take us to the recovery mode. Now in here you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down. So I'm gonna scroll down using volume down in order to select wipe cache partition. Once it's selected, confirm it using your power button and select yes. At the bottom you'll see cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press your power button once again to initiate a reboot in order to get back to your Android operating system. And as you can see, we are now back in our Android operating system. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.